Hello, my name is JoElla Bott and I am with CNC Flow Control. As promised, we are going to take a field trip today. I am going to try to show you a little bit about upstream, midstream, and downstream. I have my hand sanitizer wipes, my trusty Nikon camera, and my four-wheel drive Jeep. Here we go. Wow, what a great end to a beautiful day. I live in Cameron Parish in southwest Louisiana. I work for CNC Flow Control and trying to show you guys a little bit about upstream, midstream, and downstream and giving you examples of all three. I was just amazed today to see how many valves are in line that I really see every day, but equally amazed at how many that we sell that can go to all three of these industries. Today I stand in front of the Calcasieu River, which is in Cameron Parish. It's a main hub for LNG facilities to get material. I hope you enjoy the pictures that I took today. I really enjoyed taking them. And I'm very proud to be in this industry, and I know that you are too. Have a wonderful day. God bless the United States of America, and God bless the oil field. Thank you very much.